In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Framer. The process is simple and requires a few steps that we will go through together in this guide. Let's first start with your Framer project. You want to open up the particular project you're dealing with and navigate towards the Settings section. From here, you will see a tab labeled Domains. This tab is where you want to be, so please go ahead and give it a click. Once this is accomplished, you'll see an option that says, Connect a domain you own. Click on that as well. You will then be prompted to enter your GoDaddy domain name. After entering your domain name, hit the check button. At this point, Framer will provide you with necessary DNS records, which you will need to add to your GoDaddy DNS settings. These are typically 2 A records and a single CNAME record. Now, we must switch gears and head to your GoDaddy account. Please log in and navigate to the DNS settings for your particular domain. From here, it's time to add the A records that Framer provided you. Select A under the type option and set the name to @ to represent the root domain. Now you can paste the IP address in the value field. The IP address is given by Framer for this step. Once completed, remember to repeat the same process for the second A record. Next up is adding the CNAME record. Again, select the type as CNAME, with the name set to www. In the value field, paste the Framer-provided URL, which would typically look something like sites.framer.app. After successfully adding all the records, save the changes. If you find any conflicting CNAME or A records, you may need to either edit or delete them, so as not to cause any issues. The goal is for everything to connect cleanly and efficiently, which will ascertain smooth sailing later on. Finally, it's time to finish off by returning to your Framer project's domain settings. By refreshing the page, you will be able to see the connection status. If everything has been done correctly, the connection status will show a status like connected or optimized next to your domain. This means you've successfully connected your domain. Be aware that DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. However, more often than not, the changes take effect much quicker. You've now successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Framer. Well done. Reflect on the effort you've put into this and feel proud of your technical prowess.